Hi, myself Bhagya I'm a teacher for 9 years now. The reason me being associated with ASIS is I could easily relate to its vision and mission to my goal as a teacher. Here, students are encouraged to persevere, collaborate and be compassionate, which I personally feel is the most important skill to possess today. And I feel completely satisfied in doing a justice to my profession when I'm working in ASIS. As a teacher of ASIS, I am working one step at a time towards bringing up the learners reaching their goals. And I would like to express my gratitude towards ASIS in choosing me, and I would like to say believing in me and giving me a wonderful opportunity to working with them. Thank you so much.